Okay guys, so we just got here. We are lucky we have this corner room here. Get a nice view here. So there's only people on one side of us. Let's go ahead and go in. So the way you go in is use this thing right here and go in. Okay guys, so we just got here. We are lucky we have this corner room here. Get a nice view here. So there's only people on one side of us. Let's go ahead and go in. So the way you go in is use this thing right here and go in. Oh my goodness, guys. Okay, so this is the safe. Nice closet here. Let's first look at the bathroom. Yeah, toilet over there. Well, good size shower. Got a mini bar here, it looks like. Really stocked with water. We brought our bags up for us. So this is one porch that we have. And they have these natural lakes or lagoons, they were saying. He's bringing up room service to someone. 24/7 room service here. Second porch in the room with a private jacuzzi. That's it, y'all. Alright guys, so I'm here with my boo. And today is casino night, and they don't play with real money, they play with like fake money. So I'm going to show you all just kind of the setup and everything, and then we're about to go to dinner. We're going to the Asian restaurant, so we're about to go to dinner. Okay, so we're here, we made it to the restaurant, and they have an array of food, y'all. I'm gonna show you the menu, but this is all inclusive for us, so we can just pick anything off the menu. They have salads, sushi, special soups, main courses, appetizers, and chef specials. So I'm going to show you all the menus so that you all can kind of get an idea of the type of food that they have here. Got our meal, and this is octopus salad with lettuce and a sesame seed dressing. Then we got some sushi, a California roll. I got a veggie California roll. And then, what did you get, Eric?
Philadelphia roll.
He got a Philadelphia roll. I don't know about that.
What?
Salmon.
Roberts.
Brown one.
Huh?
So this is how the food looks, y'all. Yummy, 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 yummy.
Ready?
Yep. Very daiquiris here. There's no alcohol in it because we don't drink. And then we got the same soup. So there's our soup. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Eric got duck, right? And I got some salmon. It's very, very brown. Good morning, everyone. It's super early in the morning. Good morning, and it's super early in the morning. My boo's over there. We just woke up, so we're gonna go sign up for some activities to go scuba diving and snorkeling. Well, snorkeling, not scuba diving. And what else are we gonna do? What else did you say you wanted to do? Oh, I'm gonna do a bike tour. He's not really big on riding bikes, so I'll get up in the morning and do that. And then, oh, we're gonna do the nature. We're gonna do the nature tour. And that's it. That's all we're gonna do. I may go shopping.
Go to the beach and swim as well.
Yeah, we're gonna go to the beach. We're gonna probably go to the beach today. But what I noticed here is that you gotta do your stuff early in the morning because if not, it usually rains in the afternoon. Okay, so we'll see you all later. Hey guys, so I'm going for a walk. My hubby was tired, so he is sleeping. We did have a late night. I thought I heard somebody behind me. We did have a late night, so I got up early still, and I think I woke him up. He went down for breakfast and then went back to sleep. So now I'm just going for a walk. I'm gonna take you all on this walk with me so that you all can kind of see what I'm seeing. We are currently in Cancun. No, we're not in Cancun. Where are we? We are like where the Maya Riviera. That's where we're at. We're at the Hacienda Tres Hotel. And for us, it's all inclusive, but you can do it as like a regular hotel. But I would suggest you do the all inclusive because by the time you pay for breakfast, lunch, and dinner and all that other stuff, you could have just did all inclusive, would have been cheaper. But yeah, let's go on this walk together. It's currently sprinkling, and I noticed that it kind of rains around this time every day. But it's not a heavy rain, it's a light rain. So it's not bothering me that much. Alright, so this is what I see. They said there's like these like small pools around here from where the river like makes a small pool area, and that is what I am trying to find. So I guess we'll try to find it together. Oh, I want to show you all this right here. You see this huge thing right here? This huge thing? That is a termite's nest. But growing out of it, the guy said there was some type of flower growing out of it. But yeah, all this, that's a termite's nest. Eek! Okay, so I think this is what it's called. I can't say this. But he was explaining that they're like pools of inlets. Like it's like a pool area from where the rivers come together. So that's where we're gonna go. Remember one of those natural pools I was telling you about? This right here is it. We actually went snorkeling here. So I'm going to show you all that video. I'll link that video in here. I don't know whether we'll put this video up first or last, but we did go snorkeling in here. And what happens is the river actually, it's actually a river that empties into the ocean. So the river is like up there and it empties into the ocean. The river goes up there and empties into the ocean. You can't tell now, but you can see straight to the bottom of this. You can't tell because it's raining right now.